In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add a link to a website from anywhere within the BravoZone. For this example, we're going to use Quiz Show. I'm going to click on this question in the category to show you what we're going to do. So I brought in an image, and below I created this hyperlink. When you click on this hyperlink, this will open up in a new web page. And that's what we're going to demonstrate in this tutorial. Let's get started. You notice on top here we have the screenshot of what we just showed you. Down here is some generic text, and you can look down in the links below to get access to this code. What we did to get this to work is in there we switched out the URL to a specific URL, in this case c3softworks.com, and then it's going to open up in a new page. That's what the blank is. And in purple here is a text that's going to act as the hyperlink. Of course, can change this to anything you want. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And let's jump into the BravoZone. So I'm here in my question, and I can add this link into the preview, the questions, or the summary. I'm going to go ahead into preview right now. And you notice I've already added an image. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that code that we just modified in Word doc. I'm going to preview it, and you'll see now that's what it looks like. If I want to simply change that text, I can go over here and just say visit C3 SoftWorks, preview, and now it's shorter. Well, that's it. Very easy to add a URL anywhere within the BravoZone. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.